Blessed with many breathtaking natural attractions, Karbi Anglong is a beautiful district situated in the lap of nature. Karbi Anglong, or the land of Karbis, has preserved many unexplored and undiscovered gems of nature. Step into the lap of enchanting hills and lush greenery, and relish the ethereal beauty of majestic waterfalls. Or feel yourself closer to nature through the endless adventures offered by the hills. And don't forget to have a taste of the native delicacies of the Karbi. Welcome to the mesmerizing confluence of culture and nature. Welcome to Karbi Anglong.